Through this video, I am going to tell the level of difficulty of 2024 CAPF Assistant Commandant General Studies Paper 1, and in the next video I will be covering about General Studies Paper uh, 2. Now, in the GS Paper 1, there is the level of difficulty of this paper was bit on tougher side because there were questions from history and current affair which were tricky in nature, and one has to um, go beyond the usual standard book to solve those questions, and many of the questions are not found in different books. But in my point of view, those questions could be solved with the help of logical application of common sense and elimination technique, uh, and that can be only learned after rigorous practice of MCQ and approaching and doing more and more mock test, because mock test and practice of large number of questions unlock our intuition, and that help us to arrive at right answer. So um, here in this CAPF State Commandant paper, some questions were from committee, some questions from important policies, economic policies. These questions were not asked in last year paper, but in the year of 2024 many questions were seen from these section. So this year the cutoff will be fluctuating between 100 and 110, and it may go less than 100 because the level of difficulty was high and the vacancy was also high, and the attendance was less. Because in my class where I was appearing for the examination, there were only 13 students were present, and total strength of class was 30, and only 13 students were present. So 17 students were absent. So we can see that what and out of those 13, 3 or 4 students left the general studies paper 2 because of the difficulty of general studies paper 1. So this year the questions this year the paper was on tougher side. Many coaching industries and YouTube channels are speaking that the questions are easy to moderate, but no. As per my point of view, best of my knowledge and my experience of different UPSC conducted examination, I have given many UPSC conducted examination starting from NDS, CDS, CAPF, and I have also minutely observed and closely observed questions of different UPSC examination, such as geology scientist, Indian Engineering Services, Indian Statistical Services, and of Indian Geology Scientists. So I used to go through those papers, and after comparing all those papers of UPSC conducted examination, I come at the conclusion that the question was on tougher side because of some questions from policies, committees. And let me tell you, a question from geography was not so tough, but it was not from NCRT, but by application of common sense and scientific application of phenomena can help us to solve question correctly. Because there were questions from short wave and a long wave of sun rays. Some questions were from greenhouse effect. A question was from hailstorm, that which of the following option is or are wrong, and the options were given regarding hailstorm. So the few and from polity there was only three questions were asked. One from joint sitting, one from fundamental right, and one from committees, one from all India services, sorry. And there was more than three questions were from committee, which is not the trend of assistant commandant paper. And even though this was not the trend of civil services examination, committees related question and policy related question are asked in civil services means. But regular reading of newspaper, making notes, and fetching questions, creating and crafting questions from Indian Express and the Hindu can help us to solve those questions, because I have observed that from the month of June there were three questions in CAPF Assistant Commandant paper, and those three questions are available in the Indian Express explain pages. One question was from COP29, one question from was National Logistic Policy, and one question was from a Sagar scheme, Sagar Prayojana. And the Mission Shakti was also in news, so a question was also from there. So last 6 to 8 month Indian Express and the Hindu news and those can't be covered from PT 365 and all those magazines available in market, because yes, one question was directly solvable through PT 365. That question was related to trade inspector, world trade inspector, and one question was from G7 ASEAN group and G20 and 5 members of UN Security Council. So overall questions were bit tricky. Only 30 to 35 questions could be solved through regular standard books. Even from history section, so science section, only 8 to 9 questions were from class 8 and 9 in CRT, and one question was from 11th in CRT, and rest were from current affair or by logics. Those could be solved through logics. So this was overall analysis, and in next video I will be telling about general studies paper 2. Okay, one questions from, there was a question from PC Hota committee. There was a question from Satish Chandra committee, one from there was also a question from Kothari commission. So these questions were, obviously this could be solved through newspaper, because the Kothari commission was in the newspaper, was in the month of January, when there was a report regarding civil services examination. So overall newspaper can't be neglected, and a regular practice of subject wise, topic wise, and regular mock test are important.